decided that if you won't stop the notion of sending him home through the hashtag Ruto must go, he has decided now to use the military the way he used military to send us away from the street when we were advocating for our rights. The very moment we were at the parliament, he decided to use the military. Is the same way he is now using the military through the NIS and the head of the military boss, I don't know, Kariri. And as Kenyans, we would be is peddling fears to us, because what he's seeing that the way he threatened us in the previous demonstration is the way he wants to send frustration to us. I'm not sending or frustrating the president, but I'm sending a warning to him that in 2022 when he came to us, he was so humble. Why is it? What is so sweet that he has tested in that power that he is now deciding to destroy this nation? Signing treaties everywhere, including border openings. What is so sweet in that power that William Ruto has seen that he's now doing everything to attain his second term? That one aside, the issue of IEBC, the die has already been casted. The only thing that is remaining is the chair of IEBC to be announced. Even if as much noise you're going to make here today won't change our fate. The only thing that I want to ask the young generation to register as voters in large numbers, so that come 2027 we send one William Samoei Ruto home early, very early in the morning. Because for us to change this situation in Africa of leadership, we must show the other nations that the young youth of Kenyans have decided. Thank you.
IEBC recruitment panel, ile vitambaa mmeweka kwa meza na ile Kiingereza mnatuongelesha mingi, na already tunajua pale hakuna ukweli mnafanya. Tunataka tuwape warning mapema. Tunawapea warning mapema. Msikuje kutupea candidate mwenye atakuja kuwa kama Chebukati. Tupeeni a candidate mwenye tutakubali sisi wenyewe. Tunajua pale already mko compromised. Point number 2. Kuna issue iko kwa media. Na nashukuru media ya hapa iko sawa. Kuna shida na mainstream media ya Kenya. Mainstream media ya Kenya inauza a lot of hatred, a lot of threats that Ruto must go or Ruto must do what, ama Ruto hajafanya kazi. I want to be very clear that the roles of the president of Kenya, number 1, hakuna mahali nimeona ya kuweka stima, hakuna mahali nimeona role ya president ya kujenga barabara. Hizi vitu zote tunaikea president, alafu tunaongeza hapo nyuma ati hajafanya kazi. Hizo ni media propaganda za kuweka watu chuki ndio waharibu nchi yao. Kwa sababu wakati President Kenyatta the senior aliongoza hii nchi, a section of the media said yes okay. When Kibaki was president for 10 years, watu walisema hako sawa. When Uhuru was president for 10 years, media walikuwa nasema Uhuru ako sawa, hata kama kuna corruption lakini ako sawa. But when a person like Ruto or Moi, and I'm avoiding to say people from a different tribe than the normal, enter that state house or take power, the media starts telling us that hawa ni wabaya.